something that I got from Bahimi. Hi you guys! Today, hello everybody! Hi! We are super excited to be out at the field today. We are shooting a little collaboration with Bahimi. I was sent these super gorgeous royal blue leggings that I'm obsessed with. They're super buttery and super comfortable. I'll show you guys how we play. We want to make sure that they don't slip and fall down my back as I'm running and playing. So that's how you know that you have a good pair of leggings from somebody who lives an active lifestyle. Here we go. Throw me the rock. Set. Oh! Put these stem cells to work, baby. Blue, 42. Oh! How good are these leggings because they didn't even slip and fall. That's good. 1 point for Bahimi. We love it. Good solid material. Ready, set, hike. This one I'm catching. I'm done playing games. Oh! Alright, that was not my best football experience I've ever had. I'm actually very athletic. Huh? You did?
Sitting down and I slipped. It's a nice day.
This is a nice day. Alright, good game. So these pants have been super amazing. They fit really good. They're super snug, buttery soft. They are identifiable by their buttery soft fabric, their trend-setting and sculpting design. Bahimi is known for their super flattering fit. From beach to street to gym, Bahimi is the perfect piece for you. Thanks, Bahimi.